The Debt Snowball Method is a debt repayment strategy that focuses on paying off debts in a specific order, typically starting with the smallest balances first. Here's how you can use the Debt Snowball Method. 1. List your debts. Make a comprehensive list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and other outstanding balances. Include the name of the creditor, the total amount owed, the minimum monthly payment, and the interest rate for each debt. 2. Order your debts. Arrange your debts in ascending order based on the outstanding balances, regardless of interest rates. The idea is to prioritize the smallest debts first, regardless of the interest rates associated with each debt. 3. Make minimum payments. Continue making the minimum monthly payments on all your debts to avoid late fees and penalties. This is a crucial step to maintain good standing with your creditors. 4. Allocate extra funds. Look for any additional money in your budget that you can put towards debt repayment. This can come from cutting expenses, increasing your income, or redirecting savings from other areas of your budget. The more money you can allocate towards debt repayment, the faster you'll progress through the snowball method. 5. Attack the smallest debt. Take the extra funds you've allocated and apply them to the debt with the smallest balance while continuing to make minimum payments on other debts. This approach allows you to focus your efforts on eliminating one debt at a time. 6. Celebrate small wins. As you pay off each small debt, celebrate the accomplishment. It provides a psychological boost and motivates you to keep going. The sense of achievement from paying off a debt can help fuel your momentum. 7. Snowball the payments. Once you pay off a debt, take the total amount you were paying towards that debt and apply it to the next debt on your list. This snowballs the payments, gradually increasing the amount you can put towards each subsequent debt. 8. Repeat and accelerate. Continue this process of paying off debts one by one, applying the payments from the previous debts to the next one. As you eliminate debts, the amount available for repayment increases, allowing you to tackle larger debts more aggressively. 9. Maintain discipline. Stick to your budget and stay committed to the Debt Snowball Method. It may take time to pay off all your debts, but with consistency and discipline, you'll make steady progress. Remember, the Debt Snowball Method prioritizes the psychological aspect of debt repayment by focusing on small wins rather than solely considering interest rates. While it may not be the most cost-effective method in terms of interest savings, it can provide motivation and momentum to stay on track. It's important to note that there are alternative strategies like the Debt Avalanche Method, which prioritizes debts based on interest rates. Consider your personal financial situation and preferences to determine which approach aligns best with your goals and motivations.